Good morning to all. In online classes, I explained full lesson and already I sent part 1 video. Today we are going to see remaining lessons, that is part 2. Okay, and please open your book, page number 46 and lesson 14. And keep your fingers under the lines. So in the first part, we learn one prince was there. His name is Siddhartha, and he lived 2500 years ago. And one day morning, he walked in the garden. By the time he heard one sound, and he was looking around himself, and he did not find anything. After few seconds, again a noise comes, and he looked and he found one bird, and it hurt in bird inside body. It is arrow is there. So he was looking that bird, and he become very sad, and he did not do what to do. Okay, and after some times he looked the bird slowly from the floor, and he pick out the arrow from bird body, and he was loving and caring to the bird, and he was keeping in his lap. By that time his cousin came. His name is Devata, and he came and he asked, please give me bird, because this bird is mine. So Siddhartha was confused, because he took from his garden, and Devata came and asked, this is my bird, please give me. So he was confused, and he did not know how the bird is. And Devata said, because I shot down the bird from the sky, that's why he came down. So now Siddhartha said to the Devata, please tell me to whom the bird should be, with you or to me, because you are going to kill the bird. I am going to save the bird. So please tell me the bird with whom. Then Devadatta looked ashamed himself, because he realized his mistake, and he thought that hereafter I will not hurt any bird animals, because they are also living beings, so I should love them. Okay, so remaining lessons we will see now. So I hope everyone have a page number 46. Then keep your finger under the line. The next paragraph, that means second paragraph of page number 46. Prince Siddhartha left the palace as well as his riches. So Siddhartha also he did not want to live a rich life. So he went away from his palace and riches, because he wants to change the people in the world from their thought. They should have a thought, and they should have a habit to kill the birds and animals. So the Siddhartha wants to change that habit. That's why he left his palace as well as his richer life. He meditated a lot on the cause and cure of human sufferings. So for that, he is doing deep prayer, meditation in the silent place. He needs silent place, and he started his meditation. He doing continuously. As a result, he attained enlightenment, and finally, because of his prayer, he became a sannyasi. Okay, he was gentle and kind. He was then called Buddha. So after some times, people used to call him Buddha. Okay, Prince Siddhartha became Gautam Buddha. He founded Buddhism. So he is the founder of Buddhism religion. Okay, he is a founder of Buddhism, and he used to do new religions as a Buddha. So how the Hindus have a separate way of God, prayer and puja, everything is different. Muslims, they are doing prayers and puja, everything is different. So as well, their religions have according to their prayer service and puja. So likewise, the Buddha, they have different prayer service and they are follow that different worship. Okay, so he is the founder of the Buddhism and he start to spread his religion. Not many years ago, gentle scholar lived in India. Okay, so now we are going to learn another person. Okay, many years ago, a gentle person, one decent person, he was living in India. His name was Dr. Salim Ali. So that man name was Dr. Salim Ali. He was living in India many years ago. So now we are going to learn about Salim Ali. So far we learned Prince story, Siddhartha and Devadatta. So now we are going to learn about a person. He is living many years ago. He was living in India. Okay, his name is Dr. Salim Ali. He wrote many books on birds. So about birds, he wrote many books. He made the world realize how beautiful the world of bird is. So he used to study fully about birds and he wrote many books on birds. Okay, study means how we are studying science, social, Hindi, English. Okay, so likewise he studied only about birds deeply. How many kinds of birds are there, how many years it can live, a particular bird, what are the food it can eat, okay, and which place it used to live. Likewise, he studied fully about birds. That means he loves most birds. He tells us how he began to love birds. So now Salim Ali, he is going to tell to us how he began to love birds, how he started to love birds, how he started to like the birds. Now he is going to share with us. He had shot down a sparrow. So when he was small like us, a teenage, he shot down sparrow bird. One day he also tried to kill the bird. Okay, he shoot the bird. When he saw the bird died, so after he shot down, the bird died. So when he saw the bird, poor bird, he did not do anything. He doesn't have any jealous or ego, and he is very beautiful and innocent. So when he saw that bird, it died. So he changed his mentality. He was sad. So look at that bird, he was sad. He swore never to hurt any living beings. So after saw that sparrow, it was died. So by that time he gave promise that hereafter I will not kill any living beings, not only the birds, animals, insects, okay, or human beings. I will not hurt any living beings hereafter. He gave promise. Why? Because he shot down sparrow and it died. So when he saw that bird, then he realized his mistake and he says that hereafter I will not hurt any animals. And God created all living beings. So God created all living beings, including the birds, animals, etc. Including the birds, animals, God only created. No, to me, to yours, your dad, mummy, your grandparents, your uncle, auntie, everyone who created, God created. So, how He created to us, likewise He created flower plants, trees, and animals, birds, insects. So, we have to love everything. We should not hurt anyone. Fill your heart with love for birds and animals also. How you are loving your parents, your friends, your relatives. Okay. Likewise, we should love birds and animals also. This is what God wants to you to do. So this is God expect from us to do, and He wants to do this only. Okay, so yes, my dear children, hereafter we should not hurt any living beings. Instead of hurting, we should love and care birds and animals. Okay, so I hope you understand the lessons. Okay, so now lesson, okay, page number 47, we have a activity. Okay, so here following are pictures of birds of different types, name them. So here we have a 6 bird pictures. So you have to write their names. This is for your homework. You have to write their names. And downside, second one you leave it, third one pick and fill suitable words to complete the story. So here we have a one story, okay, paragraph. Okay, that here we have a helping words. Okay, so from that we have to pick out a suitable word and to finish the story. Okay, please watch carefully and listen carefully and do it. Okay, so once upon a time there was a dash named Asvana. Okay, so here king, you have to write king. So in the first line it is the helping words. From that we have to take out and write it. Okay, the first dash you have to write king. Once upon a time there was a king named Asvana. His country was full of forests. So his country full of forests. Many animals and birds had taken shelter there. So in the forest many animals and birds used to live. Their house, it is there in the forest. There was a woodcutter in the forest. So in the forest, woodcutter also is there. He started cutting down a tree which had a nest with young ones of bird. So the woodcutter, he started cutting the tree. So which tree he is cutting down? In the tree there is a young one's bird with a nest, but the woodcutter did not see that. He started cutting the tree. He picked the nest from the tree and took it to the king. So when the tree falling down, he took that nest and he went to the king. The king put the nest on another tree and saved the bird and their little ones. So when the woodcutter give to that nest to the king, and the king keep it that nest with the young one's bird, the another tree, and he saved that young one's bird. Okay, so this is that story. Okay, so you have to pick out the correct word and you have to write it. Almost I told the answer. Okay, listen carefully and write it down the correct answer. So this is our last lesson of annual portions. So the next class onwards we will go for the revision. Thank you and have a nice day.